up, you guys? It's me, Mandiscurls here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing some jumbo twists in my hair, crochet style, and I've already sectioned off my hair. I've parted it, I've put the edge control, I put the rubber bands, and that was a few days ago, honestly, but your girl still had to go to work, so I had tied up my hair and went to work, and today's my day off, so I decided to do my hair. That I'm using, it's 24 inches. It's Kanekalon Toyokalon hair, premium fiber blended, and I got this from my local beauty supply store. I believe there is 12 pieces in this package, but I am going to be cutting it in half because I want shorter twists in my hair, just because I think I want to just try that style. But let me just tell you what you're going to need for this style. You're going to need some edge control. I am using two kinds, so it's not even a serious thing of which one you really need. It's these two I'm using. They don't have any like white residue or anything to your hair. The white that you probably might see in my hair is the grays, so don't even come for me. It's my grays. It's not no product or anything. Also, you will need a crochet hook, scissors, and rubber bands, and a brush. So you put your latch hook, go through, close your latch hook, and what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna go and grab all the hair. I think I'm just going to pull this out and then just untwist your actual hair, and I'm just going to get my edge control and put that to both sides pieces of my hair. And now I'm just going to start twisting. So I think I'm gonna go to here and then put my rubber band. Okay. Okay. So I realize this is going to take a few hours, maybe an hour or two, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I'm gonna watch TV while I'm doing this. So yeah, be back. I just wanted to re-show you guys. I have my edge control. I'm just putting edge control on my ends and getting my latch hook and putting it through, closing the latch, pulling it out through the other way, and then just grabbing one piece of hair. So there's two, and then grabbing two pieces of hair. Actually, no, that's not it. Two pieces of hair and twisting. And as I'm twisting, also just grabbing a little bit more of the edge control and twisting away. Like I was really nervous that it was going to be really shiny looking, like the textures that weren't going to be gelling together, like my texture and this hair, but it looks bomb. So now I am going to cut this, and I do want it to be short, so I'll try this out. So guys, this is the final product of my hair after I cut it. I did dip it a little bit in hot water, but I think it turned out great. Look at this. I'm really happy with the results. I'm surprised. It really blends in nicely with my hair, if you can see. Sorry, that's some edge control here. But it looks so nice. This will last me for a good 3 weeks, I think, maybe even more, depends on how I feel. If you wanted to, you could jazz this up. Let me show you guys what I've come up with. Maybe just 2 things, like just put a little dazzle thing. Oh, isn't that cute? And another, look at that. And with my sweater, it does feel very, and the lip, it feels very festive right now. Like, you can't tell me no. Like, this looks so cute. And if you wanted to, I did get some strings, more like metallic strings from Dollar Tree. And, you know, since it's going to be Christmas soon and everything, if you are planning on doing any social gatherings or socially distancing or whatever you're doing, you can get some string and just wrap this here. Let me just do this real quick. And you could do that for like a little festivity, like a little festive moment if you're having like a little dinner with your I don't know, 10 friends maybe, or you're just your boo or your friend, like I don't know, whoever you're planning on spending your Christmas with or your holidays. Like I said, socially distanced, whatever. But this is cute. I think I might do this maybe closer to Christmas time because, you know, it's cute and everything, but I like it short and yeah, without any like jewels or anything in it. And also you can also put some jewels if you wanted to. So tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. And that is my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.